Do you want to know the 10 best 0% introductory APR credit cards available out there? Then you want to stay around till the end of today's conversation. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as terrific as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 10 best 0% introductory APR credit cards. And before we get into the nitty-gritty here, we just want to familiarize you with our methodology, with our evaluation approach. Check this out. All right, number 10, you have the Wells Fargo Rewards card. Great card. We have scored this card 8 over 10. The best feature of this card is that it's the gas and grocery rewards. So you earn 5 times rewards points earned for up to $12,500 spent on gas, grocery, and drugstore purchases for the first 6 months, and 1-time points on other purchases. So you can enjoy 5 years to use the point you earn. That's fantastic. There's no annual fee. You have a flexibility to use the points toward travel, gift cards, merchandise, cash redemption, and more. And you also receive account protection such as zero liability for promptly reported unauthorized transactions, rapid alerts, and cell phone protection. You also get auto rental collision damage waiver and travel accident insurance. Another thing that's great with this card is that you are able to the APR is kind of low. APR ranges from 12 to 25%. That's really great. And you are also able to be upgraded after a while. So that's for Wells Fargo. Number 10. Number 9, another Wells Fargo card, Wells Fargo Visa Signature card. We have scored this card 8.5 over 10. The best feature of this card is that the bonus cashback is you will receive a bonus cashback in the first 6 months. So 0% intro APR. The APR after that also hovers between 13 to 25%. You need good to excellent credit to access this, and you will receive 50% more value when redeemed for AFR. And this is exceptional Visa signature privileges, including insider access to popular events. You get free access to your FICO credit score with Wells Fargo Online. You receive other benefits here: travel protections, purchase security, and another feature we love on this card is that there is no foreign transaction fee on most cards. On other cards, you get 3% of each transaction converted to US dollar. Number 8, Capital One Silver One Cash Rewards Credit Cards. Our score 8.5 over 10. This is the best card if you want to have cash back on dining with no annual fee. And the thing here is the APR is kind of cool. It's kind of reasonable. It ranges from 15 to 26% variable. You got to have good to excellent credit, so 670 to 850. You earn a one-time $200 cash bonus after you spend $500 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. You earn thereafter, or concurrently rather, unlimited 3% cash back on dining and entertainment, 2% at grocery stores, and 1% on all other purchases. There are no rotating categories or signups needed to earn cash rewards. In addition to that, folks, The cashback will not expire for the life of the account, and there is no limit to how much you can earn. 0% APR, intro APR on purchases for 15 months. And again, after that, it ranges from 15 to 26. There is no annual fee, and there is no foreign transaction fee. Number 7, we have the Discover It miles. Great card for travel rewards. We have scored this 9 over 10, and great APR 12% to 23%. You'll receive unlimited bonus. Only Discover will automatically match all the miles you have earned at the end of your first year. You can earn unlimited 1.5 times miles for every dollar spent on all purchases. And guess what? With no annual fee. So you can turn miles into cash in any amount, anytime, folks. And you can even redeem the rewards as a stipend credit for travel purchases like airfare, hotels, ride shares, gas stations, restaurants, and more with no blackout dates. The fact that there is no blackout dates is very important here. This is very great. And you simply pay for travel purchases like airlines, hotels, rental cars, and more with your Discover It miles. The great thing here is that Discover, even though they're not accepted internationally, they are accepted nationwide by 99% of the places that take credit cards. So that's pretty fantastic. Number 6, we have here the Quicksilver, the capital one. Quicksilver Cash Rewards credit card. Score of 9 over 10. The best feature here is that you will receive a 15-month 0% intro APR on purchases. So and after that, the APR becomes 16 to 26%, and you'll receive a one-time $200 cashback bonus after you spend $500 on purchases within 3 months from account opening. And there are no rotating categories of signups needed to earn cash rewards. In addition, cashback will not expire for the life of the account, and there is no limit to how much you can earn. That's just fantastic, folks, right? And 0% intro APR on purchases for 15 months, yeah. And you pay no annual fee or foreign transaction fees. Of course, you got to have a good to excellent credit to get this card. The Capital One wants applicants to have between 670 to 850 when it comes to FICO score. Number 5, the Discover It Chrome. One of our favorite cards. This card is just fantastic, and it has a near perfect score of 9.5 over 10. The best feature of this card, the gas cashback. So the APR hovers between 12 to 23%, and you got to have good to excellent credit score here. And the intro offer, you have unlimited cashback match only from Discover, so they will automatically match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year. And there is no minimum spending or minimum rewards, just a dollar for dollar match, folks. A dollar for dollar match. And you can earn cash back on your next road trip with 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. In addition to that, you can earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases automatically. The great thing here, what we love with the Discover It Chrome card is that they have a 100% US based customer service available anytime. Your cash rewards never expire. You can redeem your cash back for any amount anytime. You can get your free credit scorecard with your FICO credit score, number of recent inquiries, and more. All of those things are kind of cool because they will help you improve your credit history, monitor your spending, know who is checking out your credit history, and many more. And even better, there is no annual fee, folks. Number 4, we're talking here about City Diamond Preferred Card, one of our darlings when it comes to 0% intro APR credit cards. Near perfect score of 9.5 over 10. The best feature of this card, check this out, is that it has an 18-month 0% intro rate on balance transfers. So from the data of the account opening, and you have 0% intro APR for 18 months on so I already said that. And you after that, the APR becomes variable, of course, It ranges from 15 to 25% based on your creditworthiness. Balance transfers must be completed within 4 months of account opening. So if you want to benefit from that great rate of 0% APR, intro APR, then you have to do your transfer as soon as possible. There is a balance transfer fee though of either $5 or 3% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. You get free access to your FICO score online, and with City Entertainment, you get special access to purchase tickets to thousands of events, including concerts, sporting events, dining experiences, and more. You can shop. You can actually shop very confidently because there is a $0 liability on unauthorized purchases, and City also has a system of. They have a scheme called City Identity Theft Solutions, which is fantastic, folks. Number 3, the American Express Cash Magnet Card. Wonderful card also. We have given this card a near perfect score of 9.5 over 10. The best feature of this card is that it has a flat rate cashback rewards. You earn 150 statement credit after you spend $1,000 or more in purchases with your new card within the first 3 months of card membership. Unlimited 1% cashback on your purchases. You also have a low intro APR here, so you have 0% on 15 months of purchases from the date of account opening. And then you have a variable rate currently, and the rate currently hovers between 14% to 24%. And they have a system called Planet. Planet gives you the option to select purchases of $100 or more to split up into monthly payments with a fixed fee and no interest. And Amex offers rewards you at places you like to shop, dine, travel, and more. Number 2. Number 2 here we have the Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express. This baby is wonderful. This is a great card, folks. Perfect score from us, 10 over 10. The best feature of this card, cash back on everyday purchases. So you can earn 20% back on purchases at Amazon.com on the card in the first 6 months, up to $200 back. Plus, you can earn $100 back after you spend $1,000 in purchases on your new card within the first 6 months. 3% cash back at U.S. supermarkets, 2% cash back at U.S. gas station and at select U.S. department stores. 1% cash back on other purchases, and the wonderful thing here is that, folks, you receive a low intro APR, 0% for 15 months on purchases from the date of the account opening. All right, so the cashback is received in the form of reward dollars that can be easily redeemed for statement credit. There's no annual fee. Number 1, drum roll. Our best 0% introductory APR credit card out there right now is the Discover It Cashback. Perfect score of 10 over 10. This is the best in cashback credit cards, folks. You gotta have good to excellent credit to access to qualify for this card. The APR ranges from 12% to 23%. You receive an intro offer. There is an unlimited cashback match only from Discover. Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. There is no minimum spending or maximum rewards. You could turn $150 to $300, folks, and you can earn 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, like Amazon.com, grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations. And on top of that, what's really wonderful here is that if you pay using PayPal up to the quarterly maximum when you activate, you are able to reap more rewards. You can earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases automatically, folks. You can redeem the cash back in any amount, anytime. Rewards with Discover It cashback never expire. You can get an alert if Discover finds your social security number on any of thousands of dark websites. And if you need to activate this though, and you activate it for free. There's no annual fee with this card, and this is just fantastic. This is what makes this card, in our view, one of the best out there. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of today's wonderful show. We are talking about the 10%, the 10 best 0% intro APR credit cards available out there. I've already given you the 10, and let's just have a quick conversation about what can you expect from 0% APR credit cards. You can expect to have a low introductory APR or 0% APR, of course, balance transfer offers, none of the to have a low annual fee, and you need to have good to excellent credit, right? And 0% APR credit cards can help you save a lot, not just on the everyday purchases, but also on balance transfers and things like annual fees. And should you use a 0% APR credit card for rewards? The answer depends. It depends, because some 0% APR credit cards earn rewards, which you can use for cashback, points, or miles. But other 0% APR cards may not earn the highest rates or on rewards. So it's really a good idea to think of rewards as an added perk and instead focus on the interest savings. This is what I would advise you to do. Another thing that is very important here is that you can actually make the most of your APR card offers, because an interest-free credit card, even if the perk is temporary, can be an exciting tool to have at your disposal, right? Think about it. But it is quite essential, folks, that you use the 0% APR strategically and responsibly, remembering that the free ride does not last forever, and you still have to make payments. You gotta make those payments, otherwise you lose the benefits, right? So make at least minimum payments. I would say even more than that. If you can pay the full balance every month, go ahead and do it. But if you can't do it, then at least make the minimum payment, because if your payment is late or you make less than the minimum payment, you will typically lose your promotional rate, and the credit card issuer will charge interest at the regular APR. So you may have to pay a late fee, and if you are late by 60 days or more, a penalty APR may apply. So it's always a great idea to set up reminders, or what I usually do, automatic payments for at least the minimum, so your payments will be covered even if you forget. So you want to make at least minimum payments. You also want to understand how payments apply, because when you pay more than the minimum required, that money goes toward whatever balance has the highest interest rate first. All right, so that's kind of important to think about. For example, let's say you take out a cash advance on your 0% APR card. Any amount you pay over the minimum due will typically apply to your cash advance balance first. You also want to factor in other costs. So I'm talking about all the ancillary fees, right? Things like annual fees, balance transfer fees, foreign transaction fees, and so on and so forth. So some 0% APR cards have an annual fee. So if you're taking advantage, say, of a 0% balance transfer APR offer, you still could have to pay a 3% to 5% on the amount you're transferring. So while fees are sometimes worth paying if they allow you to save money overall, you want to think about their cost before deciding to take advantage of a 0% APR offer. One thing I also want to say is that you need to plan ahead. Always plan ahead. You want to make sure that you're applying for a credit card should be parts and parcel of your budget strategy, of your personal finance strategy. Okay, so plan ahead. And you also need to know when your offer expires, because the goal of using a 0% card, if you think about it, 0% APR card, is to pay off your balance before your introductory period expires, right? So you want to make sure you know exactly when that is. So you want to verify the date with your credit card company, so you know when you need to have your balance paid in full, and you can get the most value out of your interest-free offer. What I usually do is you have gazillions of applications out there, of apps out there, to just pick one app and set yourself a reminder. That way you know, maybe 2 weeks in advance or 1 month in advance, when your 0% intro APR offer will expire, so you just make the full payments by then. All right, folks, this is it for today's conversation. I was talking to you about the 10 best 0% introductory APR credit cards out there, and Just want to quickly recap here. So we have that our number one, Discovery Cashback. Perfect score 10 over 10. Number two, Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express. Perfect score 10 over 10. Number three, American Express Cash Magnet Card. Score 9.5 over 10. Number four, the Citi Diamond Preferred Card. Score here, our score 9.5 over 10. Number five, the Discovery Chrome. Score of 9.5 over 10. Number six, the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card. Score of 9 over 10. Number seven, Discover It Miles. Score of 9 over 10. Number eight, Capital One Saver One Cash Rewards Credit Card. 8.5 over 10. That's the score we gave it. Number nine, the Wells Fargo Visa Signature Card. A score of 8.5 over 10. And the number 10, last but not the least, Wells Fargo Rewards Card. We gave this card a score of 8 over 10. Thank you so much, folks, for your attention into this conversation. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.